sure what that gentle rumbling sound your cat makes means? That's purring. And it's one of the most comforting sounds in the world.
Most of the time, when your furry friend is curled up on your lap, vibrating like a little engine, it's their way of saying,
I'm super happy and feel totally safe with you. Imagine a cute, fluffy cat, just like in a Pixar movie, all snuggled up in a cozy blanket. Their eyes are half closed in bliss, a tiny smile on their face, and their chest is gently buzzing. That's the picture of pure contentment. So next time your cat starts to purr,
give them a little scratch behind the ears.
you're their source of happiness, and that purr is their special way of thanking you. It's a sweet, simple sign of the amazing bond you share. Thanks for watching. If you love cats, don't forget to like and subscribe for more perfect content.